power foods to pump up your day. Do you think getting out of bed every day is a drag? If you often feel disoriented in the morning, perhaps the food you eat can help pump up your day. A balanced breakfast contains protein, slowly digested carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables. Proteins build and repair your body's tissue, transport and store nutrients, and give your body energy. Carbohydrates are your main sources of energy, while fats supply energy helps your body absorb some vitamins. Consider adding the following foods to your breakfast to get your daily dose of proteins and other essential nutrients. 1. Oatmeal. To help you power through your day, you may add a complex carbohydrate like oats and grains to your diet. It is recommended to consume oatmeal without added sugar. Oats are a whole grain food and a rich source of carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and fat. They are also great sources of vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and folate. Oatmeal will make you feel longer due to their fiber content. You can add toppings or mix-ins to a bowl of oatmeal, including nuts and fruits. 2. Chia seeds. Like oatmeal, chia seeds are rich in fiber, particularly viscous fiber, meaning it absorbs water. Adding a spoonful or two of chia seeds to your breakfast can increase your feeling of satiation. You can experiment with chia seeds by adding them to milk, creating a pudding-like consistency. You can top the pudding with berries or coconut flakes or mix it with 1 tablespoon of almond butter for an added boost in energy. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are often called superfoods as they are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. Berries may taste sweet, but they are generally low in calories. That means you can enjoy eating them even if you are following a low-carb and ketogenic diet. Add berries into oatmeal or yogurt and smoothies made with almond, oat, dairy, or coconut milk. 4. Greek yogurt. A great source of probiotics, Greek yogurt aid in gut health and combat tiredness caused by poor digestion. For a more appetizing breakfast, you can incorporate various power foods to Greek yogurt, including berries, nuts, oats, apples, mango, and papaya. Consuming these foods in the morning may help you give an extra energy boost to get through your day. Opt to include a healthy amount of proteins, slowly digested carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fruits or vegetables for a more nutritious gourmet breakfast. How about you? What power foods do you eat to start your day right?